This is question number 53 of NECO SSCE 2025 Mathematics Objective Past Question. It reads, a bag contains 3 yellow and 2 red identical balls. If 2 balls are picked at random, one after the other without replacement, what is the probability of picking 2 balls of different colors? Now we know that the formula for probability is expected outcome over total possible outcome. So let us get the total possible outcome, which is the total number of balls in the bag. So number of balls in the bag will be 3 plus 2, and this gives us 5. Then we are told to find the probability of picking 2 balls of different colors. Another thing we need to note here is without replacement. So as we are picking the balls, we are not returning them back into the bag. So this will be probability of different colors. This will be probability of picking, let's start with yellow, and then picking red. That means we pick yellow first, then we pick red. Or probability of first picking red and then picking yellow. Now, what is probability of picking yellow? Remember we said probability is expected outcome over total possible outcome. Here is going to be the number of yellow balls over the total number of balls. So this will give us number of yellow balls. We have 3 yellow balls and the total number of balls in the bag 5. And multiplication, and this multiplication or is addition. Red balls. Now how many red balls do we have in the bag? We have 2 red balls. So 2 over, but this time the number of balls in the bag has been reduced by 1. So 2 over 4. Because when we pick, we do not replace. Or plus the probability of picking red first. So probability of picking red is the number of red balls, which is 2, all over the total number of balls in the bag, 5. And that's multiplication multiplied by probability of picking yellow. We still have 3 yellow balls in the bag, but remember now, as we picked the red ball, we didn't return it into the bag. So the number of balls present in the bag now is 4. All right. So 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. And 5 multiplied by 4 gives 20. Plus 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Since we have the same denominators, that's 20, 20, we just perform the operation on the numerator. We have 6 plus 6. So this is going to give us 6 plus 6 over 1 of the denominators. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 over 20. And when this is reduced to its lowest term, using its HCF, highest common factor, which is 4, 4 in 12 will give us 3, and 4 in 20 gives 5. So the answer to question number 53 is 3/5 or 3 over 5. See you in the next one.